Thank you for selecting Dundas Jafine's drill-powered duct brush. The expected completion time should be approximately 15 minutes, and the only tool required to use this product is a drill in the event you're looking for increased power. To start, unplug your dryer and remove your dryer duct from the wall. Connect the brush head to as many rods as you need for the length required, and secure the connections with duct tape for added reinforcement. A drill can now be attached to the brush head and rod assembly for additional power. Insert the assembly into the wall through the duct opening where the dryer was connected to the wall. Rotate the drill-powered duct brush in a clockwise direction while gently pushing and pulling the assembly 12 inches at a time. Repeat these motions until the entire length of duct is clean. It is very important to only use a clockwise rotation, as reversing the direction could cause the brush head or rods to detach inside the duct. It's also important to note that you should never force the brush and rod assembly through the duct. If it becomes jammed, pull the assembly away from the constricted area by a few inches, still rotating it in a clockwise direction, and then slowly push forward. Now check the outside vent hood and inside wall duct opening to ensure the entire duct has been cleaned. You can remove any lint that was pushed out through the cleaning process and then close or replace the vent hood. Plug the dryer back in, push it into place, and then turn the dryer on to ensure the air is flowing properly through the duct and exhausting through the outside vent hood. This entire cleaning process can also be completed by inserting the brush through the outside wall opening and working your way towards the duct opening in the wall of the laundry room. For more information on using this product or to review other Dundas Jafine products, please visit our website at dundasjafine.com.